The Noco Jump Starter is one of the most useful safety items you can have in your car. In fact, it's so useful that I got one for each vehicle so that it stays with that vehicle at all times. I've had these jump starters for about a year, and I've had them used a handful of times, each time working flawlessly. I didn't get these for free or anything, I just think they're really great. But there's 5 main reasons why I love this jump starter. 1 is the price value. 2, the small form factor. 3, it's multi-purpose. 4, the ease of use. And 5, durability. The Noco Jump Starter comes in many sizes based on your vehicle, but most vehicles will use the GB40, which is the most economical one to get, especially during Black Friday or Cyber Monday. The GB40 is a 1000 amp lithium battery that is able to jumpstart gas engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters, each about 20 times. So that includes most standard cars and most SUVs. So what's included in the box? You get some jump starter cables that plug into the jump starter itself. You get a 12-volt car charger to recharge the starter, a micro USB charging cable, and a microfiber storage bag, and a little user guide. The Noco's primary function is a car jump starter. The lithium battery holds the charge well on cold winter days when your car is at highest risk of a dead battery. You plug in the cables to the starter, attach the clamps directly to the positive and negative terminals of the car battery, turn the jumper on and start your car. It's virtually mistake-proof and will even detect if you hook it up wrong. An alternate function is the 100 lumen LED flashlight with varying modes including a strobe and an SOS signal. The flashlight will last a very long time on a full charge. So it's really nice to have this extra flashlight as an alternate function. Another alternate function is the ability to charge your phones. So even if both your car and your phone are dead, you can still call for help. Just be sure you pack a USB to Lightning cable if you have an iPhone. All of this fits in a small bag that you can keep in your trunk in all seasons and weather. Each fall and spring, I make sure that it's fully charged, which typically takes about less than an hour to top off to a full charge. Another benefit that I found is that if you travel and rent a car, you can even take this with you on a plane in your carry-on. In fact, I took this with me on a trip to Alaska. I didn't want to be stranded in a rental car with a dead battery in the middle of nowhere, so I easily packed this along with me. I could also charge my phone anytime, anywhere, even while out on a hike. And it had a flashlight as a backup. Overall, I highly recommend the Noco GB40 for anyone with a vehicle. Its utility in a variety of situations makes it incredibly useful.